My name is Edward Hewitt. I'm studying the European Legal Studies program here at UEA. I chose the program because I wanted a law degree, obviously one which prepared us enough to be able to practice here in the UK as a lawyer, whilst at the same time being able to incorporate languages. I speak Spanish and a little bit of Arabic as well, and I was just looking for a course where I could use that as well, and at the same time just opportunities to study abroad, and the ELS satisfied all that criteria, so yeah, made the decision easy. The first year is fairly standard. It's like most other students on the various different law courses. So we do four core law modules, and then the second year is slightly different. We only do 2 law modules, and then the other 2, one will be a Spanish language module, and the other one is history module, a Spanish history module, and that was because I was doing the Spanish exchange version of the ELS program. So in my year abroad, I was away in Spain, and hence the Spanish language and Spanish history to prepare for that. I went to Salamanca, which is a small university town in northwest Spain. It's Spain's second largest university town, and there are thousands and thousands of students on exchange. That's not an exaggeration by any means. The experience itself was absolutely amazing. It really was. Academically, it was fantastic. All the tutors are really accustomed to taking in Erasmus students from other countries, from other jurisdictions, and so they do cater a lot of their programs specifically for Erasmus students, which makes for a pretty flexible sort of course program, which a lot of Erasmus students can fit to quite well. They can pick, there's usually a massive range of subjects for them to choose from. So i.e. again, just being able to tailor all their choices to what is needed back home or whatever. And obviously the experience studying in a civil law jurisdiction was really, really interesting. Not just from the students themselves, seeing how they related to a lot of concepts in law that are equivalent to what we learn here in the UK, but also just the basic fact that we're studying in a civil law jurisdiction. It's interesting seeing how so many things that we learn here in the UK, how it all translates over into a civil law system. And as a cultural exchange on a social level, it was absolutely incredible. It really was. Like I say, thousands of students from exchange all over Europe, from all over the world, and just the amount of people that you get to meet day in and day out. There are so many social events, there are so many opportunities to travel with your mates, so many academically related activities, conferences, competitions like the Model United Nations, things like that. They're very big on that within the whole Erasmus community. And yeah, just basically an absolutely amazing year, and we've come out with a decent year abroad experience, a different and pretty dynamic experience in another country, and yeah, a whole load of great friends.